In the name of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, the news headlines. The Islamic Emirate of Afghanistan ambassador in Iran participates in the ceremony marking the International Day of Persons with Disabilities. The signing of a tripartite cooperation agreement between the Ministry of Higher Education, the National Examination Authority, and the Technical and Vocational Education Authority. And Turkey cooperates with Afghanistan in the areas of health. Welcome to today's news package. It's Thursday, the 13th of Jamad al-Thani 1447, the 13th of August 1404, and the 1st of December 2025. The news details. Maulavi Fazl Ahmad Haqqani, the ambassador of Islamic Emirate of Afghanistan in Iran, participated in the ceremony commemorating the International Day of Persons with Disabilities. Based on the Afghan embassy in Iran, the ceremony was held in the presence of Masoud Pezeshkian, the president of Iran, alongside of several other government officials of the host country and the ambassadors of the foreign countries. A tripartite cooperation agreement has been signed between the Ministry of Higher Education, the National Examination Authority, and the Technical and Vocational Education Authority. The Ministry of Higher Education has stated that the purpose of the agreement is to provide opportunities for higher education specifically designed for persons with disabilities. Under this agreement, the mentioned institutions will cooperate in planning, regulating, and implementation programs, conducting special university entrance examinations, developing academic curricula, setting criteria for the inclusion of persons with disabilities, and creating employment opportunities for the graduate with disabilities. The news continuation. The Minister of Interior reports that Herat Provincial Police Command has during the past months recovered 18 stolen vehicles and more than 4 million Afghanis in stolen funds, returning them to their rightful owners. In accordance with the Ministry, 88 individuals connected to the aforesaid cases have been arrested from various parts of Herat city and its districts. And finally, Maulavi Abdul Wali Haqqani, the Deputy Minister for Health Service Delivery at the Ministry of Public Health, met with the Deputy Minister of Health of Turkey during his visit to that country. In the meeting, Mr. Haqqani called on Turkish public health officials to assist Afghanistan in the construction and equipment of hospitals, the issuing of visas for patients, and capacity building for Afghan doctors. The Turkish side assured him of its readiness for comprehensive cooperation with Afghanistan in the health sector. That's the end of our news program. For further informative materials, you could track Urooj on social media and platforms. Wishing our viewers a blessing Friday. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi ta'ala wa barakatuh.